Writing some parallel code and needing a progress indicator? This episode is all about doing it for free. That is, using a normal serial progress indicator that measures multi-threaded progress. The par functions in PARI and the parallel package in Octave give quite different parallel capabilities. PARI uses a list of functions whose names begin with par, like par4, par4each, par4 prime. Octave's parallel package is more like the Star Trek episode Spectre of the Gun, with fake storefronts. There are many command stumps that are merely placeholders with the same name as MATLAB's parallel functions, but are totally non-functional. The two that do work are parcel_fun and par_array_fun. Let's start with PARI. The PARI par functions have two optional parameters that allow insertion of a reduction function. What do I mean? Well, simply you give a variable name and expression. Then, whenever a thread finishes, its results go into that variable name, and the reduction expression operates on it. This gives direct control over combining the various threads' outputs into a single result. And this also allows for a serial progress indicator that operates using only counts to work without modification. Here is the third version progress indicator from episode 4, and here we can test it on a par4 loop going 300 times, generating vectors of 1 million random numbers. As you can see, it works fine. Now let's look at Octave and par_array_fun. This allows for specifying the number of cores to use, the function to run in parallel, and an array of inputs. So how do you add a progress indicator? Not in the way you might think. We don't have to add code, but instead use a mostly undocumented feature, setting verbose level to 1, as shown here. Although it violates our principle of not changing source code, we could get rid of the annoying run-on printout by going into parcel_fun in the parallel package and commenting out the 2 lines shown and adding a progress indicator similar to the ones in episode 3. Now when we test it, we get something much more reasonable. That's all for now.